Protecting drivers with autism during traffic stops. That's the goal of a new state law, the Samuel Allen Law. Police will now be able to scan a driver's license plate before approaching their car and be alerted if that driver has a communication impediment. Sarah Acosta spoke with the San Antonio mother and son who have been advocating for this new law for several years now. She tells us why they say this is so crucial.
I would act different from the other kids, and we didn't know why.
Samuel Allen was diagnosed with Asperger syndrome when he was 10 years old. It's under the autism umbrella that can affect the ability to communicate or socialize. Allen is now 24, and the reason behind the law that went into effect this week, the Samuel Allen Law. The law protects anyone with a communication challenge like Asperger's when getting pulled over by a police officer.
And we wanted to ensure that people who need this safeguard, we wanted to make sure that they had this form of protection.
A person diagnosed with a communication issue now has the option to disclose their impediment when registering their vehicle with the Texas DMV. Once registered, a code will be placed into a statewide law enforcement computer system that will alert the officers when they scan the license plate of the driver's car before walking up to the driver. Samuel's mother, Jennifer Allen, who co-founded the nonprofit Asperger's 101 with her son, says the officer knowing about the driver's condition before he approaches the car is crucial. She says someone like her son could have a reaction to the officer that could lead to a major miscommunication.
They appeared to be maybe intoxicated or on drugs or maybe just suspicious behavior when in fact it's just how they're wired.
There are several challenges that qualify as communication impediments. Some of those include autism, Asperger's syndrome, Parkinson's disease, and deafness. Jennifer and her son worked to pass the law for several years. Through their nonprofit, they have been educating the community and law enforcement about signs of autism and Asperger's. She says this is a big step for people with those challenges.
I get so excited to think about the possibilities and how we have come so far as a society as to recognize what autism is.
Now, you must bring a doctor's note with your communication impediment to the DMV when you're registering your vehicle to be placed into that system. For more information about driving with autism, head to ksat.com. Myra.